Hi everyone, this is Graham with California Coastal Real Estate. It's August 2021. I wanted to give you a quick overview on what's happening with San Luis County real estate right now. I've had the opportunity to help over 25 buyers and sellers so far this year. It's a tremendous year, very busy in the market, quickly moving market, as I'm sure most of you are aware. So let's dive into some of the numbers, see what's happening right now. We are still seeing very limited inventory in San Luis County, much the same the rest of the state is seeing. Normally this time of year we have 2 to 2.5 times the number of active listings that we currently have on the market. As far as county-wide, we have 317 active listings right now. Now when we look down at San Luis City on its own, 27 active listings for single-family homes and then 12 condos on the market. Very low inventory, not much for buyers to choose from. For a seller, it's a great opportunity to get your home on the market and get top dollar because those buyers that are looking just don't have options. We are seeing very short marketing times before an active listing is going under contract. The average days on market is about 3 weeks right now. Now that takes into account some of the homes that are listed and take quite a long time to sell. The median number of days on market is about 1 week. So we're seeing listings that are going into escrow within a matter of days. And surprisingly, since April of this year, the average sale price as a percentage of the listing price is over 100%. You know, that just goes to show with the multiple offer situation, buyers offering more than the asking price. That's the first time this has really happened in at least 15 years, as far back as the data I have shows. When we look at the median sale price for single-family homes in SLO County, it's no surprise that the median sale price has increased dramatically here just in the last 12 months. A year ago, we saw a median sale price of $654,000 countywide, and now we're looking at about $795,000. I mean, it's jumped up about 27% in just 2 years' time. We've seen substantial appreciation. I don't think that will continue. I don't think it's sustainable. So going forward, you know, I think we'll see more limited appreciation, kind of stabilizing, if that. So where does the market go from here? It's really hard to say. What I can tell you is that in the last month or so, I've talked to a couple other agents that have indicated they feel like there's a little bit of a slowdown happening. Now, there's still very limited inventory. Interest rates are still at historical lows. So it will be kind of interesting, I think, over the next couple of months. You know, we've seen the Federal Reserve indicate that they are going to kind of continue as is. They will continue with buying mortgage-backed securities. The inflation, you know, even though inflation has trended a little higher these last couple of months, you know, they have a target of 2%, and we've historically run under that 2%. So they realize that, you know, we may be looking at over 2% inflation for some period of time to kind of average out at that 2% inflation. But that being said, I think there's some economic factors that could play into some changes here in the next, 3 months, give or take. Obviously, we have the Delta variant with COVID that could disrupt economic factors. We have the issues in Afghanistan, and does that create some more volatility on a global scale, potentially? But I think for the short term at least, interest rates will continue to remain low, inventory will continue to remain low. As we go into the winter season, which tends to be a slower time of year, it'll be interesting to see whether that buyer demand stays strong, and if sellers are able to realize the high prices that we've seen over the last 6 to 8 months. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to talk to you about real estate. If there's anything I can do to help, please give a ring. My contact information is down here below, and I will look forward to seeing you next month for a Market Minute update. Take care.